We're going to the waterfall. Can't pronounce the name. Okay, it was an exciting day. We went into the waterfall. Behind the waterfall, we got all drenched wet, and anyway it's raining today, so we got a raincoat. It's cold now. Our fingers are all frozen, you know, frozen cold, stiff and frozen. But it was a very fun day. Okay, cheers. As usual, for every trekking day, we will pack our lunch. Have a simple meal, sandwich, ham sandwich.